Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to use the Bible online. To access the Bible online, you need to type Bible Gateway into your internet browser, for example, Google Chrome, or go to biblegateway.com. Using Bible references on Bible Gateway is the same as with a physical Bible. The first is the name of the book. In this example, the Gospel of Luke. Then we have the chapter of the book, in this case chapter 1, and finally verses 1 to 12. First of all, you need to choose from the drop-down menu a version of the Bible. For example, New Revised Standard Version Catholic Edition. Now, from the drop-down menu, choose the book, Gospel of Luke in our case. Now we need to choose the chapter, for example, chapter 1, and verses, in this case verses 1 to 12. By using the arrows, you can navigate between the chapters. In the Read the Bible section, you will find advanced search to help you find the information quicker. Here, you can enter a passage, a keyword, or a topic which interests you. For example, Peter. Finally, you can explore Bible Gateway by taking a tour of the website. Thank you for watching.